All right, drone lovers, it has been an exciting year for compact flying cameras. On one side, we have the DJI Neo 2, a palm-sized drone designed for effortless, everyday flying and social media-ready videos. On the other side, there's the DJI Avata 2, a beast built for speed, first-person flight, and jaw-dropping cinematic shots. Now, these two might both carry the DJI badge, but they serve totally different kinds of pilots. So if you're wondering which one deserves your money, the lightweight, smart Neo 2 or the adrenaline-packed Avata 2, let's break it all down in this head-to-head comparison. We'll cover camera quality, flight experience, design, battery life, safety, and of course, which one gives you the best bang for your buck. Starting with the design, the DJI Neo 2 is all about portability and simplicity. It weighs just around 151 grams, keeping it under the 250 grams threshold in many regions, meaning it's easy to fly without a lot of restrictions. It's small, foldable, and ideal for creators who want something quick to pack and ready to launch in seconds. Despite its size, the Neo 2 still looks sleek and modern, with improved aerodynamics and better wind resistance than its predecessor. Now, the DJI Avata 2 plays in a completely different league. Weighing about 377 grams, it's built like a mini FPV racer. The built-in propeller guards, aerodynamic frame, and tough build make it perfect for fast, agile, and immersive flying. It's not as pocket-friendly, but it's much more durable. The Avata 2 looks like a professional toy for grown-up pilots, made for action, not casual travel. So in short, Neo 2 is the travel companion, while Avata 2 is the performance machine. When it comes to cameras, both drones have their strengths. The Neo 2 packs a 1x2-inch CMOS sensor with a 12-megapixel photo resolution and shoots 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. It combines a dual-axis mechanical gimbal with electronic image stabilization, giving you super smooth footage even during windy conditions. For vlogging, travel reels, or social media videos, this combo works wonders. The colors pop, the horizon stays level, and the footage feels natural. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 2 features a larger 1x1.3-inch sensor, which means better low-light performance, deeper dynamic range, and overall cleaner footage. It shoots 4K at 60 FPS and even supports up to 100 FPS for buttery slow motion. The field of view? A massive 155 degrees. Perfect for immersive FPV videos that make viewers feel like they're flying with you. So in simple terms, Neo 2 gives you steady cinematic shots that are easy to edit, while Avata 2 delivers that heart-racing ultra-wide FPV experience that feels alive and dynamic. This is where their personalities truly split. The DJI Neo 2 focuses on stability and simplicity. It offers around 19 minutes of flight time, solid wind resistance, and AI-driven flight modes. You can control it with simple hand gestures, launch it from your palm, or let it track you automatically while you walk or cycle. It's made for casual flyers, safe, smart, and incredibly intuitive. Even beginners can get cinematic footage on their first day. Now, the Avata 2 is all about speed, agility, and control. With its FPV setup and DJI's O4 transmission system, it can fly up to 27 meters per second, handle tight turns, and dive or roll midair with precision. It also has a maximum flight time of about 23 minutes, slightly longer than the Neo 2, but real-world use varies based on how aggressively you fly. So in short, Neo 2 is your steady storyteller, while Avata 2 is your adrenaline junkie's dream, built for pilots who want to feel every twist and turn. Safety is one area where DJI continues to impress. The Neo 2 now includes omnidirectional sensors with forward LiDAR and downward infrared detection. It can automatically avoid obstacles and hold position precisely even indoors. For beginners, that's a big win. It's very hard to crash this drone accidentally. Meanwhile, the Avata 2 also takes safety seriously, but approaches it differently. It's designed to survive rough flights with built-in propeller guards and a tougher shell. It also includes downward and backward visual sensors, perfect for maintaining stability during FPV flights or in tight indoor spaces. Plus, the turtle mode lets it flip itself back upright if it lands upside down. That's just brilliant. Overall, Neo 2 prioritizes obstacle avoidance and autoflight intelligence, while Avata 2 focuses on physical durability and pilot recovery features. Both protect you, but in different ways. Ease of use is another area where they cater to totally different users. With the Neo 2, you can practically fly it right out of the box. No learning curve. You can control it through your smartphone or simple hand gestures, ideal for vloggers, travelers, or anyone new to drones. It's designed to be fun, effortless, and creative without technical complexity. The Avata 2, however, is a drone that rewards skill. To get the best out of it, you'll likely use DJI's FPV Goggles 3 and the RC Motion controller. Once you get used to the immersive experience, flying Avata 2 feels unreal, like you're soaring through the sky yourself. But it does take practice. It's made for creators who want control, speed, and that first-person thrill. So if you want simplicity, go Neo 2. If you crave immersion and challenge, Avata 2 is your match. In terms of endurance, both are surprisingly efficient for their categories. The Neo 2 delivers about 19 minutes of flight time, which is decent for such a lightweight drone. It's powered by a compact battery system optimized for quick swaps and short creative sessions, ideal for vlogging, travel reels, or social media videos. The Avata 2, being larger, has a slightly better endurance of up to 23 minutes, but because FPV flying is so dynamic, with quick turns and bursts, real-world time can drop closer to 18 to 20 minutes. The major edge here is the DJI O4 video transmission, offering up to 13 kilometers in range and ultra-low latency for a truly responsive FPV experience. So while Neo 2 is convenient, Avata 2 wins in connectivity and control range. When it comes to price, the Neo 2 is clearly the more affordable option. It launched in China for around CNY 1,499, around $210, making it one of the best value mini drones in 2025. It's perfect for beginners and creators who just want reliable, high-quality aerial footage without breaking the bank. The Avata 2, however, sits in a premium segment. The standalone drone costs much more, and once you add FPV goggles, controller, and batteries, the full setup can easily cross USD 1,000. But for serious FPV enthusiasts, it's absolutely worth it. So if budget is key, Neo 2 wins hands down. If you want professional-grade FPV freedom and immersion, Avata 2 justifies the price. So DJI Neo 2 or DJI Avata 2, which one's right for you? If you're a casual creator, traveler, or someone who just wants to capture cinematic shots effortlessly, go for the DJI Neo 2. It's light, easy to fly, feature-packed, and budget-friendly. It's practically crash-proof with its advanced sensors and AI flight modes, making it perfect for beginners. But if you want adrenaline-pumping FPV flight, cinematic motion, and immersive control, the DJI Avata 2 is on another level. It's the kind of drone that lets you race through forests, weave through buildings, and capture action like never before.